Now we got YUNJIN from the SSERAFIM. I don't know. Whoa, what is this about? Alright, who worked on this? Oh, Moon Soojin. Written by Moon Soojin. Okay, we got some people I know. Let's go. Let me hear that again. Oh, I like how it started. Is this French? French is so sexy. Wait, I need to know how this drops. Ooh, YUNJIN, let's go. Who got me chills? Never leave my side, girl. Oh, talk your shit, girl, please. Up all night. Ooh, how's this gonna drop? Is either gonna drop like not too heavy, I'm gonna guess, but like more dancey. Woo! I like this. Woo! Get it, get it. We just dancing, y'all. Hope you dancing with me. Ooh, with a guitar. Let me go. Ooh, let's go. Hey, hey. Woo. Up all night, up all night. Hey. Oh. Damn, you got me dancing, bro. I don't even know what I'm doing, bro. When the song just got you grooving, moving, and dancing. This is the powerful thing about music. You don't even have to know the language. If it got you moving, music just hits the soul so well.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Sound with my thug, right? Sound with my thug, right?